In front of me is Oppo Reno 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to tap on Privacy Controls. Select Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features you wish to manage. Tap on one of your apps and either pick one of those options and go back. Or select one of your apps, pick See All Permissions at the bottom of this section and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!